Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make consistent cuts on your miter saw by adding a simple stop block system. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy.
I'm using a bit of scrap plywood I had to make the extended fence for my miter saw. Most miter saws have these little holes for the screws to go in there. If you only have one long bit of plywood, you could use it. I'm using two because that's what I had. I'll be cutting it right down the middle. That also serves to make it a zero clearance fence. These small bits of plywood will be used as the top and back of the stop block. In order to make these T-nuts work, I'm using a Forstner bit to drill out a little bit of a recess at the same depth as the T-nut. And then I'm drilling the rest of the way with a regular drill bit. Because the handle I have isn't quite long enough, I'm adding more of a recess on the back of this piece. Just hammering in the T-nut and showing how it's going to work with the little handle I have. It sticks out just a little bit. It's perfect. I'm measuring 3/8 of an inch here and completing the line with my pencil. I'm countersinking some holes here so I can use some flathead style screws to assemble the stop block and not have anything sticking out. In order to get the other spot where I need to drill holes, I've placed it temporarily on the fence and drawing a line at the center of the piece, and then drilling more holes. I'm using a piece of paper to add a little bit of clearance for the stop block and attaching it to the fence temporarily with a clamp and screwing everything together. Once it's all done, you can take the clamps off, take the piece of paper out, and things move silky smooth.
So I've made two different stop blocks. This one here, it allows you to go all the way to the end, and that way you can get a nice long cut, repeatable. And this one goes inside the fence, so that way you can get a smaller cut. So anything from here to here, you use this block. Anything longer, you can use this block.
And the video wouldn't be complete if I didn't show you the stop blocks in action.
I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this stop block system for my miter saw. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I think something like this can be added to any miter saw to add a whole bunch of functionality, especially if you're going to be making repeat cuts like I did in the video. Until next time, cheers and have a great day.